This bandana headband tutorial uses a ribbon to tie it in the back. It is quite simple to make, and you can download the free pattern if you follow the link in the description below. All you need is some remnant fabric and some ribbon or string. After cutting out your pattern pieces, you want to sew the ribbon to the two flat ends of the triangle. Next, you want to sew the bandana to the lining with right sides together. Be sure to leave a small gap in one side so that you can turn it to the right side later. Now you want to clip the corners so that you can get nicer points on the bandana triangle. And then you want to turn it to the right side and press the edges. After pressing, use a loop stitch to sew up the gap. And you're finished. You have a cute and unique bandana headband.